Monaco is a tiny, glamorous principality on the French Riviera. Despite its small size, it's famous for luxury, casinos, and the annual Formula One Grand Prix. With stunning views of the Mediterranean, it's a place where the rich and famous come to play. You won't find any income tax here, which adds to its allure. Now, let's dive deeper into the marvels of Monaco. The Larvotto area of Monaco is known for its beautiful beaches. Larvotto Beach is the only public beach in Monaco and offers a lovely spot to soak up the sun and swim in the clear blue waters. It's a pebbly beach with some sandy patches, and it's well maintained with clean facilities. The beach area is lined with restaurants and bars where you can enjoy a meal or a refreshing drink with a view of the Mediterranean. Monaco enjoys a Mediterranean climate, which means warm, sunny summers and mild winters. The weather is perfect for outdoor activities all year round. The summer months, from June to September, are especially popular with tourists, thanks to the long days of sunshine and pleasant sea temperatures. Even in the cooler months, you can enjoy pleasant walks along the coast or explore the many parks and gardens that Monaco has to offer. The Formula One Grand Prix in Monaco is one of the most famous car races in the world. It first started in 1929 and has since become a prestigious event in the racing calendar. The race takes place on the narrow, winding streets of Monaco, making it one of the most challenging circuits for drivers. The track goes past some of Monaco's most famous landmarks, including the casino and the harbor. It's known for its tight corners, elevation changes, and the iconic tunnel section. Every year, the Grand Prix attracts celebrities and racing fans from all over the world, making it a glamorous event filled with excitement and high-speed action. Casino Square is the heart of Monte Carlo, where elegance and excitement meet. This famous square is surrounded by some of Monaco's most iconic buildings. Let's take a stroll around it. First, there's the Café de Paris, a charming brasserie that has been serving guests since 1868. It's a perfect spot to sit outside, enjoy a coffee or a meal, and watch the world go by. The cafe's lively atmosphere and Art Deco design make it a popular meeting place. Next to the cafe is Casino Square itself, a bustling area filled with luxury cars and tourists taking photos. The square is beautifully landscaped with palm trees, flowers, and a fountain at its center. It's a vibrant hub where you can feel the energy of Monte Carlo. Overlooking the square is the Monte Carlo Casino, an architectural masterpiece built in 1863. This grand building is not just a casino, but also an opera house and a ballet theater. The casino's opulent interior features marble columns, chandeliers, and stunning frescoes. It's a place where fortunes are won and lost, adding to Monaco's allure. Adjacent to the casino is the Monte Carlo Opera, also known as the Opera de Monte Carlo. This elegant venue hosts world-class performances of opera, ballet, and concerts. It was designed by Charles Garnier, the same architect who created the Paris Opera House. The opulent interior and excellent acoustics make it a cultural gem. Lastly, there's the Hôtel de Paris, one of Monaco's most luxurious hotels. Opened in 1864, this historic hotel offers lavish accommodations, gourmet dining, and impeccable service. It's a favorite among celebrities and dignitaries. The hotel's Belle Époque architecture and sumptuous decor create an atmosphere of timeless elegance. The Little Africa Gardens, or Jardins de la Petite Afrique, are a lush oasis in the heart of Monaco. Located near Casino Square, these gardens offer a peaceful retreat from the bustling city. The gardens are beautifully landscaped with exotic plants, flowers, and trees from around the world. You'll find winding paths, fountains, and charming sculptures scattered throughout the area. The gardens are named Little Africa because they feature a variety of African plants and trees, creating a unique and exotic atmosphere. It's a lovely place to take a leisurely stroll, relax on a bench, and enjoy the natural beauty. The gardens are meticulously maintained and provide a perfect spot for quiet reflection or a picnic. The Little Africa Gardens are also home to a variety of birds and small animals, adding to the sense of tranquility and connection with nature. Whether you're a plant enthusiast or simply looking for a serene place to unwind, the Little Africa Gardens are a must-visit in Monaco. The Metropole Shopping Center is a luxurious destination for shoppers in Monaco. Located near the Monte Carlo Casino, this elegant mall offers a high-end shopping experience with a touch of glamour. The center features a stunning interior, complete with marble floors, chandeliers, and exquisite decor, making it a pleasure to explore. Inside the Metropole, you'll find a variety of luxury boutiques and stores offering designer fashion, jewelry, and accessories. Brands like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and Chanel have their stores here, catering to the tastes of discerning shoppers. The selection of shops ensures that you'll find the latest in fashion and style. In addition to shopping, the Metropole also offers fine dining options. There are several gourmet restaurants and cafes where you can enjoy a delicious meal or a coffee break. The food court provides a range of international cuisines, ensuring there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking to indulge in some retail therapy or simply want to admire the beautiful surroundings, the Metropole Shopping Center is a must-visit destination in Monaco. Near the Little Africa Gardens and the Hermitage Monte Carlo Hotel, a new development area is taking shape. This area is being transformed into a modern, vibrant space with a mix of residential, commercial, and recreational facilities. The goal is to create a lively community where people can live, work, and enjoy leisure activities all in one place. The development includes luxury apartments with stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea, modern office spaces, and a variety of shops and restaurants. The architecture is sleek and contemporary, blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings. Green spaces and pedestrian-friendly streets make it a pleasant area to explore on foot. The Hermitage Monte Carlo Hotel, a historic and luxurious establishment, provides a touch of elegance to the area. Its classic Belle Époque style and world-class amenities make it a favorite among visitors. The new development complements the hotel's charm, creating a harmonious blend of old and new. Monaco's Port Hercules, is a bustling hub filled with yachts and boats of all sizes. The area around the port is modern and lively, with sleek buildings, trendy restaurants, and stylish boutiques. It's a great place to take a walk, enjoy the sea breeze, and watch the boats come and go. Nearby, you'll find St. Nicholas Cathedral, a beautiful Romanesque Byzantine church where many of Monaco's royals are buried, including Princess Grace. The cathedral's stunning architecture and peaceful interior make it a must-visit. The Prince's Palace of Monaco, perched on a hill overlooking the port, is the official residence of the ruling prince. The palace has a rich history and offers guided tours where you can see the state apartments and the stunning views from the palace grounds. The changing of the guard ceremony, which takes place daily, is a popular attraction. Monaco is known for its yachts and the Monaco Yacht Club, a prestigious institution founded in 1953. The club's modern building, designed by architect Norman Foster, is located on the waterfront and is a striking sight. The yacht club organizes regattas, sailing events, and social gatherings for its members, making it a hub of nautical activity. The sight of luxurious yachts docked in Monaco's harbor is iconic. These vessels, often owned by the world's elite, add to the glamour and opulence of the principality. Whether you're a sailing enthusiast or simply enjoy admiring beautiful boats, the Monaco Yacht Club and its surrounding marina are worth visiting. The districts of Larvotto and Saint-Romain are among the most desirable areas in Monaco. Larvotto is known for its beach and vibrant nightlife, while Saint-Romain offers residential tranquility with stunning sea views. Both areas have a mix of modern apartments and luxury hotels. The new National Museum of Monaco, located in the Saint-Romain district, is a cultural gem. The museum showcases contemporary art and offers a variety of exhibitions and events throughout the year. Monaco is a place of contrasts, where modernity meets tradition. From its stunning beaches and luxurious shopping centers to its historic landmarks and cultural institutions, Monaco offers something for everyone. It's a unique and captivating destination that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit.